If you're thinking about signing up for NorthOne Business Banking, there are a few things you need to know before making your final decision. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 key insights that can help you decide whether NorthOne is the right fit for your business, especially when compared to other popular business banking options out there. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer, so you can make the most of this platform before committing. The first thing you should know is that NorthOne offers a fully online banking experience tailored to small businesses. Unlike traditional banks that require in-person visits and a lot of paperwork, NorthOne gives you the flexibility to manage your finances from anywhere. This means no waiting in line or navigating complicated systems. Everything you need is in the palm of your hand. But how does it stack up against competitors like Bluevine or Lily? Well, while other services might offer similar online features, NorthOne stands out for its simplicity and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs who want a smooth, straightforward banking experience. Next thing you should know is how NorthOne simplifies accounting. It integrates with your accounting tools, which is a major time saver when you're running a business. For instance, it connects seamlessly with QuickBooks, making invoicing and tracking expenses as easy as possible. With its built-in features, like categorizing transactions, it helps you keep your books organized without extra hassle. Other platforms like Mercury or Brex also offer accounting integrations, but NorthOne's ease of use and simple design is a big selling point here. The third thing you need to know is about the fees. NorthOne charges a flat $10 monthly fee, which is relatively affordable compared to other banks. This fee covers most of the services you need, but it's important to note that there are additional costs for things like cash deposits or ACH payments beyond the included monthly transactions. However, when compared to traditional banks with higher minimum balances and fees, this flat rate is competitive and transparent. The fourth thing is that NorthOne offers excellent customer support. One of the key differences between NorthOne and other digital banks is the level of support available. Many digital-first banks like Revolut or Chime might not offer as responsive customer service, but with NorthOne, you get 24/7 access to support via chat and email. Their team is responsive and knowledgeable, which can be a game changer when you need quick help with a transaction or technical issue. Now, let's talk about the next thing, its advanced features. NorthOne isn't just a basic bank account. It provides access to features that help your business run smoother. One standout feature is the ability to create sub-accounts, which helps you organize your funds for specific purposes. This is similar to what Brex offers with its cash management tools, but NorthOne makes it incredibly intuitive, giving you more control over your money without feeling overwhelmed by complexity. The sixth thing to consider is that NorthOne is built specifically for businesses. While other banks like Chime offer personal banking and business accounts, NorthOne's focus is entirely on small businesses. This means every feature is designed with entrepreneurs in mind, from expense tracking to managing multiple accounts and even paying your team. This specific focus helps you avoid unnecessary complications and ensures you're using a product that aligns with your needs. The seventh and final thing you need to know is about the security features. NorthOne provides standard FDIC protection, meaning your funds are insured up to $250,000, just like with traditional banks. On top of that, they offer features like two-factor authentication and strong encryption to keep your account secure. While other digital banks may offer similar protections, NorthOne takes extra steps to ensure your sensitive business data is kept safe. So, if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and secure business banking solution, NorthOne Business Banking could be exactly what you need. If you're ready to give it a try, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for NorthOne, along with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your business finances today.